Students, today we are going to learn second problem in relation to final accounts of non-profit organization. Look at the board. Following is the receipts and payment account of a club for the year ended 31st March 2019. So our current year is 2018-19. Our previous year is 17-18. Our subsequent year is 19-20. We are preparing accounts for 18-19. Okay. Receipts and payment account are given. To balance BD, opening cash, it will go to the opening balance sheet asset side. It will not come to income and expenditure and balance sheet. Okay, it will not come. We need not to consider this one. Then to subscription received. It is a revenue receipt. It will be recorded in the income side. Proceeds from the entertainment. It is a revenue receipt recorded in the income side. Sundry receipt is a revenue receipt recorded in the income side. Then go to the payment side. Payment side, any fixed asset is given, we should consider that one as purchased. Here fixed asset given on the payment side, payment size, this is furniture purchased. Then it is the capital expenditure, it will go to the asset side. Stationery purchased, it is a revenue expenditure, it will go to the expenditure side. Investment given in the payment side, this means investment made. It will go to the asset side since it is a capital expenditure. Postage, it is a revenue expenditure, goes to the expenditure side. Closing cash goes to the balance sheet asset side. Here additional information is also given. There are 450 members, each paying annual subscription of rupees 30. We have adjustment for subscription. Then stock of stationery, we have adjustment for stationery. Then capital fund is given, it will go to the balance sheet directly. Capital fund given, it will go to the balance sheet directly. We need not to prepare opening balance sheet. Okay. Now, we will go to the receipt side. Opening cash, we can ignore. Subscription, it will go to the income side since it is a revenue receipt by subscription received. Totally received how much? 12,900. Of which received for, this is current year, this is subsequent year. So, subsequent year, subscription received for 1920, value 400. We should deduct from subscription received and it will go to the balance sheet liability side. Subscription received for 1920. It is received in advance. Then we have one more adjustment. There are 450 members, each paying annual subscription of 30. So 450 into 30, totally 13,500, of which already we collected 12,500. So subscription outstanding for the current year, subscription outstanding for current year, namely 18-19. So 450 into 30, 13,500, of which 12,500 already we collected. Current year subscription outstanding 1,000. It will go to the balance sheet asset side. Subscription outstanding for 2018 and 19 rupees 1,000. Then proceeds from entertainment, it is a revenue receipt, it will go to the income side. Proceeds from entertainment. Proceeds from entertainment is a revenue receipt, it will go to the income side. Sundry receipts, also revenue receipt, it will go to the income side, value 500. Then go to the credit side. Furniture purchased, it will go to the asset side. Furniture purchased during the year, value 15,000. Then stationery. For stationery we have adjustment. Opening stock and closing stock are given, so we have to find stationery consumed. We have to find stationery used or consumed. For that formula is opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. Purchases given in the payment side 2,400. Opening stock of stationery on 31st March 2018 300. Closing stock 500. What we have to do? We have to add opening stock and purchase, deduct closing stock, we'll get 2200. That is called stationery used or consumed. The closing stock of stationery goes to the asset side. Closing stock of stationery goes to the asset side of balance sheet, value 500. Then investment made. Any fixed asset given on the payment side we should consider as purchased or made. Here investment purchased or made. Investment made. Bought during the year, value 12,500. Then postage is a revenue expenses. Postage is a revenue expenses, value 1000. Then by balance sheet is a closing cash. It will go to the balance sheet asset side. Balance sheet value 3,500. Then there are 450 member. Already we have considered this adjustment recorded. Stock of stationery, opening stock and closing stock are given. With the help of that we ascertained stationery consumed. Capital fund recorded in the liability side. Now we are going to balance the income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account, credit side is heavier than debit side. So credit side total 26,000. 26,000. Debit side total 3,200. So our surplus is balancing figure, excess of income over expenditure, value 22,800. This value should be added with the capital fund, surplus should be added with the capital fund, value 22,800. If we add these two, we'll get 32,500. Students, we completed second problem in relation to the final accounts of non-profit organization. Next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.